Hi pals, John here, and today we're going to take a look at the Zoom H8. Firstly, let's talk about how awkward it is to find this product, specifically because if you're doing video work and you type in the word Zoom, you're going to pull up lenses. Please change your company name, please. But seriously, this is the Zoom H8 recorder. It is an 8-track, 12-channel recorder. So you have lots and lots of flexibility for your audio needs. You got a whole mess of XLR inputs on here, including 2 that'll take in line level feeds as well. You've got individual pads, you've got XY microphone up the top with 90 and 120 degree fields of capture. We also have a beautiful color touchscreen that allows you to intuitively move between the different options on here. Here we can see it's picking up the XY capsule from we've got plugged in on the top, but if I press this home button, we also have a music app. If you're plugging in some kind of amp or electric guitar straight into here, something along those lines, is going to work fantastically. And then we also have a podcasting feature. Now I keep calling these apps. I'm sure Zoom has a preferred term that they would rather I use, but they're apps. The podcasting one, while it's loading, here we go. You've got 4 different pads that you can fill here, as well as being able to obviously take in a bunch of mics. So if you are a podcaster and you do, if you want to take your show on the road, as it were, you could grab this couple of microphones. You can load in your theme tune, any stings you might have, any audio clips, basically, and you can just go ahead and hit them, and you can see the levels right there running as that's playing its funky little clip. Obviously, these are the ones that come pre-installed on here, but you can add your own through the SD card port. Now, speaking of SD cards, we are including an SD card with this, so pretty much just need this and a few AA batteries, and away you go. It does take 4 AA batteries, or you can run it off of a 5-volt micro USB cable. Again, the cable is included, so you really don't need a lot of stuff with this. It's pretty sweet. If I go back into the field mode right there, hit record, I've got a nice little indicator both here and on the screen, and we can see that it is picking up my voice. But let me just adjust that a little bit right there, and yeah, hopefully, if I remember to edit this correctly, the audio you're hearing at this point will be the audio from the recorder, so you can get an idea of how good it sounds rather than just me talking about how good it sounds. If you're monitoring your audio, which why wouldn't you be, headphone port is right there, and the adjustment for the headphones is actually done via the touch screen. I'm going to pull up the Field app, and then I touch on that, and then I can just slide this up and down. I keep looking for a little button or dial there for the headphone volume, but that's not where it is. You can also format your SD card, plug this in using the included USB cable. You can use this as a card reader, and yeah, it's a really great upgrade to what we all know are fantastic products from Zoom, just bringing it into the modern day. So there you go, the Zoom H8 recorder, 8 input, 12 track, much fun. And it's available right now on our site, thelensPal.com, with rentals from 2 days all the way up to 90 days. And if you have enjoyed this video, hopefully you have, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, smash a bell, and whatever it is that Zoom's social media people are saying this week. And until next time, I'll see you soon.